Hello, welcome to my home lab. This new video, we're gonna use Visual Studio Code to install and use the Docker extension. We open Visual Studio Code and go to the extensions. You see, we have 3 extensions for remote SSH. You can follow the video in the upper right corner. As you know from this video, we go down here, connect current window to host, and we connect to our Fedora server. See, yeah, and we are connected. You see it here. Again, extensions. You see, the extensions are installed. In this video, we're going to install the Docker extension. We search for Docker, and it is the first one from Microsoft. You click on it, and you see here in the window all the information. You click on install. It's only take a minute, and it's already done. You remove that. And you see, we have 2 new extensions, Container Tools and Docker. They are independent from each other. You see, we have also a new icon here, Containers. You can click on it, and we open all the things from the Docker extensions. We have containers, images, registries, networks, volumes, context, and help and feedback. We start with the containers. We have done this in a previous video, the Hello World Docker container. Again, you see it here in the upper right corner. You can open that, but it's doing nothing for the moment. And you can view logs. See here. Inspect. You see it here, all the information about the containers. It's a lot of things. And you can also start the container and remove it. Next, we have the images. We only have one image, the Hello World image, again from my previous videos. Registries is not yet configured. We have networks, we can open that. A minute. You see, we have 3 default networks. The bridge network, the host network, and the non-network. More in future videos. After, we have volumes, but again, we have nothing here. Go a little down. That's for future videos. Docker context, again, nothing. And help and feedback. Here we have a lot of websites where you can find a lot of information about Docker and how to use it. This was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.